everyone, welcome in our channel. I'm SARITA from BSP Welfare Support Team. Today I'm going to show you how to cook an onion bhaji at home in a simple way. It is very popular Nepali side dish and we can have it as a snack or a starter. Before we get started, I'm going to show you all the prepared ingredients that we will be needed. Mixing bowl and oil to fry. Let's get started. At first, cut the onion very finely into small pieces, not too thin, not too thick. There we go. Then after, cut the peeled potato into very thin slices. Finely chop ginger, garlic and chili. Once it's done, gently mash it to make separate all the layers of onion. Put all the ingredients in a mixing bowl and mix it well. Now next, put the oil in the pan in a medium heat. After this, give a tablespoon size and drop the mixtures in the pan. And do the rest. Okay, wait until it's golden brown. Okay, while putting the mixtures in the pan, be careful with the hot oil splashing on you. And wait until the color changes into a golden brown. It takes approx 2 minutes. Okay. When the color changes into golden brown, and turn on the side and wait until 2 minutes. Once it's cooked, place the onion bhaji on a kitchen roll paper to drain the oil. And once it gets ready, you can serve it with hot pickle or tomato ketchup. I hope you enjoyed the onion bhajis video. If you like our cooking video, we will do some more cooking videos in upcoming days. Thank you so much for watching.